Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Khaled and I am an engineer by day trying to prove that it is never too late to learn how to draw and master digital painting. Maybe you also want to learn how to draw and master digital painting, but you might have that hesitation that it might be too late. But let's go through this journey together and prove that it is never too late. Over the last couple of years, I have gone from painting something like this to this, and I am continuing to improve all the time. I am hoping that one day I can become a professional artist, and I'm sharing my journey and experience in this channel. I like to share some of the tips and tricks that I've been learning throughout my journey here, and hopefully we can become better artists together. In my channel, you can expect to see some tutorials and tips on how to draw and paint, as well as some tips that we can do together to be in a better state and a better position to learn and improve much faster. I'm also hoping to share some updates throughout my art journey and how things are going and some of the improvements that I've been going through, and hopefully inspire you as well to get better at your drawing. Let's go through this journey together and help each other become better artists.